In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the engine bay. Let's get started. To disconnect the negative terminal, we have a 10 millimeter here up top. We'll go ahead and loosen that up. Once that's loose, you can wiggle the terminal and pull up. With the terminal disconnected, I like to wrap a rag underneath it and make sure that it is not going to make contact with the terminal. We can go ahead and loosen the 10 millimeter for the positive terminal as well. To remove the battery tie down, we'll use a 13 millimeter and remove the nut. Pick up on the tie down and pull that out from the side. Using the 13 millimeter, we can continue to remove the second half of our battery tie down. Make sure to remove the bottom piece of your battery tie down. We can move some of the wiring off to the side here. And remove the battery. And we can place the battery back inside the vehicle. We can get the lower portion of the battery tie down back in its place. We can snug that down. We can get the battery tie down into the chassis, down onto the stud. Get the nut started back on. And we'll snug that down. We can get our junction of our positive terminal back together and onto the battery. Get the positive terminal back onto the terminal of the battery. And we'll snug that down. These don't need to be too tight, just tight enough that the terminals won't move. You can get your negative terminal back on. And we'll tighten down that as well. Same as the positive terminal, doesn't need to be too tight. And we can get the positive terminal cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.